Hi everyone, today I will be presenting Parasitic Souls. Now, Parasitic Souls is my first iOS game, and it was a game that was made during the Make Games with the Summer Academy, 2014. It is a RPG styled action game, and let me just go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and press start, and it brings us to the screen that shows us our data files. So you could have up to three data files at the same time. As you can see, there's two that are new and then one that is that I already have. I'm just go ahead for the purpose of the demo. I'm going to use the preloaded file, and it brings us to this screen right here, which shows us which shows us levels. Some may be familiar with Candy Crush, and Candy Crush is in a similar way how every level is connected in a sort of like a linear loopy way. And I was trying to go for the same feel, but instead of a puzzle game, it's an action game. So let me go ahead and go into one of the levels, and as you can see, you are a character right here, and you're to beat the level, you have to defeat 10 monsters, and for attacking, instead of buttons, you actually have swiping. And why I chose to do swiping is because buttons, there's really a limit to how many buttons you could have. But swiping, you could have as many swipe gestures as you can. And that allows us to have more than just one generic attack. Or like you could have potentially 20 different attacks in one game by assigning a custom attack to e, um, each different types of swipe. As you can see, these orbs pop up, and these orbs represent a unique pattern. So this would mean that it's two patterns to the right. This would be two right, one down. And let me go ahead and pause the game. And if you press on configure moves, you see all the moves that you have currently unlocked. And to unlock the moves, you actually have to destroy the monster and then become that monster that who uses a move that you haven't unlocked yet, and then you master that creature to obtain their move. And I'll go ahead and show you in a second after explaining all these how to move between creatures, how to swap between creatures. And then if you click on a move, it brings you to this screen right here, which has this blue board, and it says selected move ninja star. You could change to a different attack if you want, but it says current pattern U. So what U means is it's one single swipe up, and you save your attack pattern by pressing here. So I could change this to 2 up instead of 1 up and save it. And if I go back out and press resume, and now if I do 2 swipes up, I shoot a ninja star. So let me go ahead and, if you notice, every monster that I slay, it shows a dead body. If I do a 2 swipe down, you get this white orb. And if that white orb touches a dead body, you become that creature. So now I am a spider. And I tried my best to make it as easy as possible um, for people to see who you are compared to what the enemies are by having this very subtle orange tint. And yeah, so this green bar at the bottom, that's the mastery bar. Since I already mastered the spider and already have unlocked the bump move right here, that's why it's fully green. What happens when you take over a body of a creature that you haven't um, unlocked the move to? The bar would be completely empty, and it would slowly fill up with green as you defeat monsters as that character. And that's pretty much my game. If you walk to the door, it says level completed. And let's just go ahead and go into the most recent one, which is this. And every level has unique sets of characters. We go ahead and kill the golem. And if I take over the golem's body, as you can see, I haven't unlocked the move yet, so it is completely black. And that's pretty much my game. Let me see what else there is to show you. There's very unique kinds of attacks. The mage right here has a barrier, and if it has a barrier, and I shoot projectiles like a ninja star, it reflects right back at me, as you saw right there. But yeah, that is my game, Parasitic Souls. Thank you so much for watching.